Hey Queens, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Y'all, I've made it to 500 subbies, so thank you guys so much. So as you see in this video, I am doing my false nail routine. I have washed my hands, of course, right? And I'm using these kiss nails that are so cute, and the size is medium, so it allowed me to do things around the house and, you know, type on a computer and things like that. And then I like to clean my nail with alcohol. This helps dries out the oils in your hands, because believe it or not, y'all, with us touching our hair, our face, all things around us, our oil gets in your hands. So I like to use alcohol. Some people use acetone or what have you, but I just use regular alcohol to do it. Now I'm trimming my nails, just making them even and clean and things like that.
I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me, gotta put it in a song.
So I trimmed them all up nice and even, nice and clean. Now I'm gonna just wipe off alcohol again, girl. I like to make sure those nail beds are dry. And now with this, I'm going to open up my packet and show you guys what's on the inside. So as you can see, you got your nails. I believe this was a 24 pack. It comes with glue, but we're not using that glue, okay? I got a special glue for you to use. You get a file. You get that little pick thing. I don't know what it's called. I guess it's to help push your cuticles back. It's in there with the file. And so it comes with the full kit. So you could use everything in this kit, but I don't use the glue that comes with the nails. So now I'm going to use this pick to push back my cuticles. That has a little applicator at one end to push your cuticles back, because that's very important, because you want the nail to go under the cuticle, because you want it to look as natural as possible. Okay, so after you push your cuticle back, I like to use that same tool on the other end to clean any dirt and debris out from underneath my nails. I'm cutting off a little hangnail right there, just making sure everything looks neat, polished, because we want these nails to look as real as possible. Now I'm using this little tool. I do not know the name of it, but it helps you to clean up your cuticle. So as you can see, you go around the cuticle with this tool, and it just brings up all the dead skin, all the dead skin off the cuticle, so it can look really clean and prestige. So after that, queen, now it's time for the filing. Yes, you got to file those nails down. You got to take that file and just go to work, girl. I love to file it because you want to give the nail something to basically hold on to. You want to make the nail bed a little rigid, so it can have something to hold on to and bind to with the glue. So I be filing them little nubs down, child. But make sure you file them real good, even on the corners of your nails, not just the top. But as you can see, I'm doing the corner, the top of the nail. Make sure you file, take your time, and just file the nail down.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together. Sing it with me, say all to Jesus I surrender all.
Okay, now we're done with all that filing. Now, let's see. Let's brush those nails off. Yeah. Brush all the debris off, all the, the foul, the white from the nail, just brushing it off, making it nice and clean. Then we're going to, what we're going to do? We're going to put some more alcohol on there. Yep, and just clean it off. Get any oils out, because it might have been oils on your filer. So you want to get that all out, clean up under the nail, all that good stuff. All right, we're done with that. Now it's time to lay these nails out. So now it's time to make sure you find a match for your nail bed. You don't want it too big and you don't want it too small. So you want to try to match your nail bed as good as you can. And some people have to adjust the fake nail sometimes to fit their bed because of, the might can't find a match. But for most cases, there are matches. So make sure you get the closest match and that it's not going over the cuticle, and make sure it covers your nail completely. Now that we got our nails fitted to size, here's for the prize. Yes, super glue. This glue you find at your local Dollar Tree for $1.25. Yes, I use the Dollar Tree glue, and it says on the package that you can use for nails as well. And y'all, just a dab will do you. So you put a dab like you see on my nail, and then I firmly press the nail down. And how I do it is I go closest to the cuticle, hopefully can get it under the cuticle as possible. Start from the back and press down forward, and I'll hold it for about 30 seconds, y'all. When I tell you this works, okay? I know you guys see all the nails on the nail glue on social media and Sally Beauty Store, Amazon, all of this. Y'all, this Dollar Tree nail glue works, okay? I can have my nails on up to 3 to 4 weeks. No lie. I will not fool you guys. 3 to 4 weeks, okay? And I don't use gloves when I wash dishes. I cook in them. I wash my hair in them. I wash my wigs on them, child. I do everything in these nails, and they last. Most of the time, I have to force them off. I have to soak them off because either you can see the new growth in my nails, like when you have acrylics on, or they might get chipped, or the paint might fade off and it just look a little raggedy, right? But most of the time, baby, they're on there and they will stay on there. So trust me, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree glue, honey, because it works. Okay. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together, sing it with me, say, all to Jesus I surrender, all to thee I freely give. Okay, and there you have it, queens. My full set for less than $10. Yes, hello. Do you like them? Do you love them? Go get them, okay? It is that easy, y'all. And what you see me doing here is just filing the tips of the false nail, because sometimes when they make them, they have like a piece of plastic right there. So I just want to file it down, make it look nice and neat and even. But baby, these nails are adorable. I am still wearing them. This is my second week as I do the voiceover. I'm in week 2 of these nails. So girl, I am enjoying these nails. And then the final piece to it all is putting some top coat on them so they can shine and look like you just stepped out of the nail salon. So queens, go ahead, try it, try my technique, and let me know in the comments if they last, if you like this technique, if you tried this, if you have other suggestions. Let me know in the comments so we can share and take notes. But queen, this is the look, okay? So listen, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and comment in the comments. And I will see you guys next week for a vlog on every Sunday. And also join me on social media, because guess what? We're doing Rise and Shine with Self-Love. So I've been going live every day, Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the replays are here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check those out. Queen, I love you, but God loves you more. And I'm going to see you at the top, because there's no more room at the bottom. Peace. Oh, look, that's y'all, I did a whole self-love luxury line, okay? And these are my homemade body oils. Girl, I like to put this on my cuticle just to give them that moisture and give my hands some gliss. Girl, this body oil is bomb. Let me know if you're interested in getting the body oil, and I will think about putting it back out again, okay? But y'all, I love you, but God loves you more, and I'm going to see you at the top, because there's no more room at the bottom. See you guys next week. Be blessed. Peace.
I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me, gotta put it in a song. Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear. You give me security, yeah. You're so loyal that I never have to wonder. You give me all that